Isotones. Isotones are the atoms of different elements containing atoms of different elements containing same number of neutrons. For example, carbon 614, nitrogen 715, oxygen 816. Here Z is 6, A is mass number 14. So same number of neutrons, is equal to N is equal to A minus Z. A is 14, Z is 6. That is equal to 14 minus 6. How much? 10 minus 6, 4, 8. Number of neutrons in nitrogen atom. So N is 7, 15. Number of neutrons N is equal to 15 minus 7 is 8. So number of neutrons in oxygen atoms. Oxygen is N is equal to 16 minus 8 is 8. N is equal to 8. So in all the cases is carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, all the cases number of neutrons are same.